Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to my channel with me, Muhammad Irfan Ardiansyah, with serial number 5302422 and 16. And today on this video, I want to share with you a tutorial how to make a web server on your laptop or on your PC with the virtual machine. And today in this video, we gonna use Debian as the server, and the client is our Windows, our laptop Windows. So make sure that before you following this instruction, make sure that you already install the Debian on your virtual machine or laptop, either VirtualBox or VMware, and make sure that you already configure the IP address and FTP and SSH on your Debian, because in this video we should use FTP to sharing the installation file from our out of Windows to our Debian in virtual machine. So make sure that you already meet this requirement, and if you already meet all the requirement of this video, you can following this instruction. So let's started the video, and I wanna open my Debian. Okay, first we should be login as root. Okay, firstly we should be install the Apache as our server. In here we use Apache 2. Okay, let's waiting the installation. um okay, for the next, we should be configure the security file in our Apache directory. So follow this command. So in here, change the server token into prod in here, and let's scroll below, change the server signature into off, so in order to hide the Apache version on our client. And then save with Control O, enter, and Control X to exit. And then we should be configure the index setting, so follow this command to edit the dir conf, and just following this command as you see in your screen. Okay, okay, this is to setting the index in our Apache. And then we should be configure meme configuration to add handler in meme.conf. Okay, in here we should be find the add handler CGI script. Let's scroll below, and in the add handler, okay, at the add handler CGI script, just remove the hashtag like this, and then save with Control O, enter, and then Control X to exit. And we should be restart the Apache. Okay, so you should be restart the Apache. Okay, after that, we should be check whether the Apache is run properly with type our IP address. In here, this my IP address that I was setting before, and just type in the explorer with http like here, and this is the default page. Okay, we should be back again into Debian, and in here we wanna install the PHP in here. This will install the latest PHP version. In this version is PHP 8.2. Okay, finish. And we should be edit in our Apache again the meme configuration again, and we should be add new handler to make sure that our Apache can use the PHP. So in here we should be create a new line to add the handler for our PHP. Okay, let's make the new line in here to make the handler for PHP h.2, and then you can follow this command add handler application. You can follow this command to add the handler for PHP h.2. Okay, after that don't forget to save with Control O, enter, and Control X to exit, and then you should be restore the Apache, and then we back again. Okay, so we want to uh, make the index PHP to make sure that our PHP is can run properly in here. Okay, let's see the file in var www, and there we can see that in our directory is html and index.php, and then we should be um okay, in here I wanna um okay, let's move into the www directory, and then in here okay, we move into html file directory. In here index php, we should be rename with index1 html. Okay, so we have index php. Okay, we at the wrong location. We should be move the index php to the html directory. Maybe uh we can create a new index php again in this html directory. So repeat the instruction, and we make the new index php. Okay, this code. Okay, and then we add the index php, and then we can see that the php is run properly. And okay, we can rename the index as the default. Okay, okay, we go back into Apache Debian default page, and let's install the MySQL server and MySQL client. Okay, like the is error, so we should be search the command for install MySQL server. Okay, we should be use default MySQL server. Okay, we should be install with the default MySQL server like this command. Okay, enter, and let's waiting the installation finish. Okay, repeat again to search the default MySQL client. Okay, so we have the same command to install MySQL server and default MySQL client, then enter. Okay, now we already install both the MySQL client and server. Okay, and then we can check the our MySQL it can run properly or not. Okay, okay, so our database is can run properly. Okay, in here, and then we should be install the PHP my admin to manage our database. Okay, okay, we enter which Apache as our server. Okay, yes, to synchron with our database. Let's make the password. Okay, let's refresh this page, and we're going to PHP my admin to see that it's can run properly. Okay, error not found in here, so we should be back into our Debian, and maybe we can restart the Apache. Okay, we back again. Oh, still not found. So in here we should be configure again. Okay, we should be configure again in the configuration, Apache configuration. Okay, in here we should be create new line and add this command include http php myadmin apache conf to permit the Apache to run php admin. Okay, restart the Apache, and we can refresh again. Okay, we can login into our MySQL, maybe php admin. Okay, we want to configure again the php admin to make new user and new password. Okay, the username is Debian 12, and for the password, okay, retype again password. Okay, and we configure Apache as our server. Okay, let's log in with our new user and then login, so we can log in into our php admin, and then we want to download the WordPress installation in here. Okay, waiting the installation, the download finish. Okay, finish, and we should be extract this zip folder. Okay, finish, and then we can use FileZilla or FTP to upload this WordPress to our Debian. In here I use FileZilla, and uh, find our download WordPress in download file, download folder, and this directory WordPress. Okay, in this directory we just upload in our Debian server. Okay, let's wait the upload process. Okay, finish, and Here we should be move the WordPress directory into our Apache directory. Okay, let's check in the www directory, HTML directory. Okay, we have the WordPress directory in here, and then we can check with type the WordPress in our IP address. Okay, we can install WordPress in here, and then before it we should be make a new database. Okay, we should be logging into our database in MySQL. Okay, we should be create a new database. In here we create a WordPress database. Okay, we can show the database. Okay, we have WordPress database in here, and let's see the permission for our new user, for the Debian user with so grants command, and we should be give all privilege for our new user Debian 12. Okay, after we give all privilege, we can check again. Okay, and then we can continue the installation. Okay, exit, and then we can see in the WordPress directory in here in wp-config sample, just rename to wp-config.php. Okay, and then we should be edit the config. Okay, we add the wrong directory, should be have the HTML. Okay, like here, and change the database into WordPress, the username as Debian 12, and for the password is also Debian 12. Okay, save with Control O, enter and Control X to exit. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, install now. Okay, make the title is official SMK website, official website SMK, username admin, and for password, okay, Debian 12 also. Okay, is too weak. Let's edit. Okay, too weak. Let's edit again. Okay, medium. Okay, okay, should be strong, and we should be give the email. Okay, in here, and then install WordPress. Okay, successful install WordPress. So for the next, let's log in into our WordPress with username is admin. Okay, and password is Debian 12. Okay, login, and then we can log in into our WordPress dashboard, and in here we can directly check our website into our server, in our Debian server in here. Okay, visit site. Okay, okay, this is the result that we already installed the WordPress into our server. That server is our Debian in our virtual machine. Okay, this is the result. You can edit this template as your one. Okay, I think it's enough for this video tutorial. I know that this tutorial is edited with the high speed, so if you have the problem about the installation, you can pause or setting your YouTube playback for 0.5 to slowly in this video, because to this video is could not be too long, so I'm edit this video with the high speed. Okay, maybe this is my video tutorial about how to make a web server, and we can meet again in the another video. And stay back with me, Muhammad Ardiansyah, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.